Hello viewers, welcome to my presentation of control design. Learning outcome you will achieve by end of my presentation is you will able to describe basic structure of control design. You will able to analyze bad practice on the hardware design which can affect the software application. You will able to know necessary guidelines for hardware specific instruction set. Here comes the control design. It is a set of instruction and command which will be processed by the coprocessor. Coprocessor is nothing but the hardware module. It receives the command from the software application and it will process into the low level finite state machine which will be interpreted by the particular hardware, and it will say, in addition to that, it will send the status signal back to the software. Performance of a hardware will be affected by command and the configuration. Command will have a short time control on the hardware performance, and it means like when the hardware receives a command from the software, only that particular duration of time the performance will be affected. On the other side, configuration is a value which is configured for the hardware and the performance will be affected for the longer duration of time. Here comes the hierarchical control. Hierarchical control is a part of control design. Here the command from the software will be interpreted into the sequence of finite state machine, and the hierarchical control will hierarchical control will process each and every low level finite state machine in a sequential manner in order to have a effective execution. Here comes the programmer model. Programmer model is the software view of hardware module. In general, in the case of programmer module, our software application will control the hardware module. In order to have such architecture, we need to have a special attention on the hardware design in order to build it properly. And they are its address map and instruction set. Address map is the organization of a memory element in the hardware which will be used by the software application. There were some bad practice in hardware design. It's a memory location. When software application performs read and write operation, it always refers to the particular memory location in hardware. But the hardware designer can can route the read and write operation to the different memory location because the read and write strokes are available on the bus as a separate register, which will be easily accessible for the hardware designer. Next comes is the default access to the software. The default memory software application is read and write only, but the hardware designer change the access to either read only or write only, so that by which the performance of software will be deeply affected. Next is alignment of data. Software performs some operation on particular data. Access on the particular data, and they can change the alignment to the different bit location. It means like they can change the sequence of bit in the different location, by which the performance of software will be completely changed. So these are some of the bad practice on the hardware design which will deeply affect the performance of software application. Next comes the instruction set. Software application can control the hardware instruction set. General guidelines to have effective instruction. They are status flag. The instruction would have a status flag which indicates the success or failure of hardware operation. Sometimes in low level hardware performs a wrong operation which can affect the whole system. But this can be fixed by having a status flag on the instruction set, hardware instruction set. So next is a reset design. It's better to have reset the specific hardware module during the execution, because sometimes hardware module may perform that particular module can be read by the help of instruction set. Next is the context. Sometimes multiple software access the hardware to perform some operation. This may lead some inconsistent operation. This can be avoided by having context switch in the hardware, which can control the multiple access on the hardware. In my presentation. I hope you will enjoy, and thank you so much for the presentation.